Okay, good day, guys. So let's take a look at gold for the next day. Now, to those that have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So now let's start with the trend. Right before we actually place any trade, we would want to know the trend, and we can see that this trend is actually an uptrend move. That is one. We can also see that we are trading above our 10-period simple moving average, and once price is trading above our moving average, definitely that is a bullish move. All what we would want to do is look for an opportunity to go ahead and take a buy movement. So this gold is actually on a bullish move. Now let's see this movement like this as an ice, then a pullback being played out here. If you see this again, a new ice and then a pullback, a new ice being played out here, and a pullback. Now, if you take a look at this, a new ice has been made that took out this previous ice, though it was not much, but it took out this previous ice. And now, if you see this, this would be a pullback, which is more visible on the 4-hour time frame. Now we are expecting a new ice. So for the next day, we expect this gold to give us a bullish move that should take out this previous ice. So a new ice needs to be formed on our gold. Down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this price has actually dropped. So I'll be expecting this bullish move. At least let's say to take out this resistance level on our gold. So at least we should be able to take it out and possibly break above it. But first, we should be able to hit this resistance level. So that we should watch out for a level of 1935. Currently, we are trading at 1926. By the way, the market is yet to close. It should move further than that, maybe by the time the markets have closed. But for the next day, which is for the 24th, let's try and hit a level of 1935 and possibly break above the level.